We've been working off of leaked images of diecasts and rumor lists for Cars on the Road merchandise for quite a while now, but yesterday we got some actual high quality looks at two playsets being made for the series revealed by NDA Toys. I first saw these on my Discord server, and today I'm going to go over my thoughts on them. Anyway guys, welcome back to yet another video and to another episode of my thoughts. It's 7:45 in the morning. I woke up 20 minutes ago, and I just realized that my intro is completely pointless in this video because I literally just said everything that I needed to say before my intro. Okay, anyway, the first of these two playsets is called the Showtime Loop playset. And as you can see, it comes with two plastic cars. We have a Pity, and we have this monster truck girl. Now, she has appeared in some leaked books, and now we can officially confirm her name is Ivy. Very simple name, okay? I don't know, not really a car pun, but you know, sometimes it's nice to not have a car pun shoved into every Cars character's name. You could also see it appears the Pity is labeled, circus stunt performer, I want to say. Kind of hard to tell. Of course, we know of a circus appearing in the series. A clown Pity leaked a little while back, so it seems like this is some sort of stunt performer or stunt assistant. And before we talk about the set itself, let's go over the box art real quick. I really like the font. As you can see, it's staying very close to the 2022 die-cast packaging style. Heck, I'm pretty sure that's like the exact same font they've been using all year. I've been under the impression that they're probably not going to change the die-cast packaging when On the Road comes out. I think that's pretty obvious that they're not gonna, and the On the Road stuff will just be folded into the main line alongside stuff from the three movies, you know, and I think this pretty much confirms that they're using the same sort of graphic design and color scheme, although of course with the Cars on the Road logo. It looks very similar to the other play sets we've gotten this year for Cars as well. In the corner we have artwork of McQueen and Mater. Mater looking the same as always, although it looks like he's a little dirtier than usual. If you look where the Tow Mater Towing and Salvage logo is, it looks like there are some dirtier stains there, which might just be them trying to make Mater look a bit more detailed, or maybe I'm crazy. Again, I woke up 20 minutes ago. But you can see in the top left corner, there's a little circus logo, which is pretty interesting. I wonder if that's, I was gonna say, I wonder if that's something that'll be different, like, for different packaging depending on what episode the toys are based off of, but the other set doesn't actually have a logo like that. But as you can see, it seems the playset, I mean, works pretty simply. There's a little launcher here that you shoot Ivy, the monster truck, out of. She goes around this loop, knocks over some barrels, lands on a target. It also comes with a flaming hoop she can go through. Pretty interesting stuff. I mean, that launcher is incredibly close to that loop. I highly doubt it'll be successful, if I'm being honest. Like, I mean, come on. There's no way she's going to make it around that loop every single time. I probably won't pick up either of these sets unless one of the cars in them ends up not being released in another place. Like, if this Circus Pity doesn't end up getting a single release, maybe I'll pick this up. But you could already tell that much like the Dynaco Car Wash Pity from last year's Color Changers Dynaco Car Wash set, this Pity is plastic and doesn't move. It's literally just an accessory. You see, once again, the forklift arms are connected to its wheels. It doesn't roll. It's just two plastic pieces screwed together, which is certainly unfortunate, but I mean, it's pretty much what I was expecting. And then we have the other set, which is pretty cool. It's called Radiator Springs Tour, and is our sort of first look at Radiator Springs being in this series. I mean, it was inevitable that we'd see Radiator Springs, but it's nice to have confirmation that we'll be seeing the Radiator Springs townies when all the promotional stuff has been how this show is about Lightning and Mater. As you can see, I have a few of the Radiator Springs buildings, little Flo's and Luigi's and Ramon's in classic Mattel Radiator Springs playset fashion. They're not set up how the town is actually set up. Flo's should be next to Ramon's, not between Luigi's and Ramon's. And it's kind of annoying because Luigi's and Ramon's are next to each other like that, but Flo's is in the place where the courthouse should be. Mattel also loves turning Flo's into a playset. They did it years ago into like a racetrack launcher thing. They re-released that playset for Cars 3, and now I believe this is a separate one from before. As you can see, there's a little thing saying the road trip continues, which is interesting. I'd assume their road trip will start in Radiator Springs, right? And also it lights up, which is pretty cool. I'd say this will be pretty cool for people who missed out on the Precision Series buildings who want their own Radiator Springs setup, but it's not accurate to how Radiator Springs is set up. I do like that in addition to Flo's, you have Luigi's and Ramon's, and their little turntable platforms for Ramon's and Luigi's. And also, the set comes with 3 cars. It comes with Plastic, Mater, Lightning, and Guido. I can't really recall a previous time where they've done a Plastic Mater since, like, the Cars Toon days. Although I'd assume, once again, Guido, yeah, look, his wheels are the same color as his forklift arms. It seems Guido's going to be stationary, unfortunately. He's not looking too good either. But on the box, you could see Flo, Sheriff, Sally, Ramon, and Fillmore. I guess that confirms all of them to appear in the series. Not necessarily, but, I mean, inevitably they were going to. Unfortunately, we just see a purple Ramon on the box here. Only time will tell whether or not Ramon will have a different paint job in the series. I hope they do. I hope they do give him one. If they give Ramon a new paint job, Mattel can make toys based off of that Ramon paint job and make more money. Come on, guys, it's genius. Genius strategy. But yeah, I hope Ramon has a new paint job for this show. I don't know what, but it would be nice. Even if it's just purple Ramon, though, I won't really mind. As long as we see the Radiator Springs townies for more than like 5 minutes, which honestly I kind of doubt, which is a shame because for years I've been hoping they do something that focuses more on the townies, and I don't think the show's going to do that. But, I mean, I guess that we'll just have to see. Anyway, though, guys, there we go. Some new on-the-road playsets. Oh, wait, I've just realized. Looking at another image of the playset now. Oh, wow, hold on. This Radiator Springs playset has a crossroad between Flo's and the other buildings. And it's got a bunch of track. It's all story set track, which I actually brought back this year. So maybe you can reconfigure it to put Flo's in the right place. That's pretty cool. I'm glad they brought back the story set track. Yeah, so I guess you could reconfigure it to put Flo's in the right place. It's a cute little Radiator Springs playset. I'm getting kind of sick of these static pitties, but you know, it's a nice little set. Also, Mater is using a mold based off of his Precision Series look, and I don't know, that's pretty interesting. Anyway, though, guys, there you go. Those are just my thoughts on these new Cars on the Road playsets. Let me know what you think in the comments, and hopefully we'll get some more reveals soon. Bye now.